Hey Lancers, Mr. Mag here, coming to you with 11.2 part 2. And in this video we are going to be finding the surface area of a prism. So what we need to do in order to do that, we need to first find our lateral area. And remember, the lateral area is all the sides added up together. But we have a nice little formula here that says you're going to take that perimeter, multiply it by a height, and there you go, you got it. So what does that look like? We take a look at this shape over here. We're going to take our perimeter, look something like that, and then we're going to take that, we're going to multiply that by the height, and we should have our surface, our lateral area. If we were to unravel the shape, what does the lateral area unravel itself to? It looks like a rectangle. I'm sure some of you were thinking that, so great job. Also, we're going to be identifying our base. So in this particular example, we have a cube, and so we're just going to take the top and the bottom because those are the same shapes. Find those areas, multiply that by 2. So area of the base times 2 plus the lateral area gets us the surface area. All right, so let's do a practice problem. In this particular case, we have any guesses? Anyone know what that's called? Triangular prism, where the bases are triangles, lateral areas are just rectangles. We're going to add them all up, and we'll find our area. So what's the first step? I'm sure all of you are thinking, write the formula, right? So we're going to say surface area equals lateral area plus 2 times the base. And just because I'm following this example, I'm going to find the base first. Alrighty, so what do we got here? Well, we have a triangle, and we have what looks like a right triangle. So some of you are probably saying, hey, it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, but if we did not know that, we would simply just write the equation to get it, right? So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is our c right here. So we have 3 squared. I'm just going to keep writing here. This is going to work out to be 25. This is c. And get the square root of each side, and now c equals 5. Good job. Okay, so now it says find the lateral area. Remember what the lateral area is? We're going to take the height, and we are going, let me say lateral area equals the height times the base. Well, what's our height? Our height is 6 centimeters. What's our base? Well, we're going to add up the perimeter of our shape there, which is 3 plus 4 plus 5. All right, let's continue on with that. If we were to add that up, we have 6 times 12, which equals 72. So there's our first significant piece of information right there. And then let's go find the area of the base. Well, let's talk about this guy. Since we're looking at a right triangle, we can use area of a triangle formula, which is half times base times height. I'm going to say half. I can say 3 is my base of the triangle. Height is 4. And so we are left with 6. So let's bring it all together. We're going to take this 6. We're going to take this 72. And we're going to do our magic, right? So surface area equals lateral area plus 2b. What is our lateral area? 72. What's our base? Our base is 6. And we're going to multiply that by 2. It gives us 84. And the last thing we're missing is the unit, centimeters squared. And there's your answer right there. Hopefully that was helpful, give you a little bit of insight. See you at the next video.